Hello guys, today we are going to see this cue card which is describe a time when you tried to do something but you weren't very successful. On this topic we have to speak for 1 to 2 minutes and questions are when it was, what you tried, why it was not very successful and how you felt about it. Okay, so let's see. Well, I have tried many things in my life and fortunately I succeed in some of them. Here I would like to talk about a time when I tried skating for the very first time and it wasn't my cup of tea. Here it wasn't my cup of tea is an idiom that describes it is very difficult for me. Okay, I don't remember the exact date because I have a memory like a sieve, but I guess it was around 3 to 4 years ago. Here a memory like a sieve is also an idiom that describes I have a very less powerful energy and I forget things many times. Okay, so in these two paragraphs we have covered our two questions, which is when it was, so it was around 3 to 4 years ago, and what you tried, so I tried skating. Okay, it so happened that after finishing my sixth semester exam, I was free for 3 weeks. My friends and I had decided to learn something new and utilize that time. Then we made our minds to learn skating. There is one training center in my city that teaches skating to people at a nominal rate. My friends and I enrolled in that center. We purchased new quad skates along with a safety kit that includes helmet, elbow, and knee pads. And we used to go there in the morning and evening. I found that arduous because not once but for many reasons. So here our third question, answer of third question starts. Uh, why it was not very successful. So here we have to give 1 to 2 reasons. Okay, I found that arduous because not once but for many reasons. First of all, I couldn't able to balance my body properly. I used to take support of something to hold my body straight. Second, after some practice and hard work, when I tried free skating, I mean without any support, I couldn't able to stop my skates, and as a result, I used to fall while skating a lot of times. And lastly, I found it very difficult to maintain my posture and hand leg movement. Uh, I still remember I used to skate in half standing and half sitting posture, and my friends used to laugh at me. Here, posture means our body position. Okay. Due to all these reasons, I wasn't very successful to do skating. So all these paragraphs covers our third question, why it was not very successful. And our last question is how you felt about it. So here we have to speak about our feeling. Okay, so as per my feeling, I would say it was a kind of mixed feeling. Initially, I was embarrassed and felt disappointed because all my friends used to skate easily and only I found it difficult. However, at the end of 3 weeks, I felt glad that I utilized my free time and tried to learn skating. It was a wonderful experience, and we all friends fully enjoyed that 3 weeks and made great memories. Overall, this was the time when I tried skating, but I wasn't very successful in it. Okay, so this all covers these all paragraphs covers our four questions, and here if you read all these paragraphs you will take 1 minute and 30 seconds, and you need you will need 2 minutes and 53 seconds to speak all these sentences. In this video I have speak 22 sentence, and it will take 2 minutes and 53 seconds to speak. Okay, so here I would like to tell you one thing that if in any cue card, the question is like how you felt about it. So try to speak about two feeling, means mixed feeling. One is happy and one is sad. So that will cover around 30 seconds. So it will help you to speak for uh, full 2 minutes. Okay, so that's it, guys. I hope it helps.